This video is part of the certification program, SABA, Spreadsheet Applications in Business Analytics. Please contact if you want to apply for the certificate program, or for more details.
Okay, so now we'll be moving on to another function, that is wrap text. Guys, there are two functions which are available under alignment, wrap text and merge and center. You can see them under home tab under alignment itself. Okay, so what does a wrap text means? As the name says, it is going to wrap your text and fit it into one particular cell. So now if I just see this example, it says the content is overflowing the cell, apply wrap text so that the content fits in the cell. So what I'm going to do is, you can see that this is one particular cell where I can see the data. I have to, there is some data in this particular cell. Either I just adjust the height and the width of the cell and make it fit into one particular cell, or what I can do is, if I'm not really convenient with that function, I can just use the wrap text function. Guys, key points that to be noted is wrap text can be applied only on one single cell. You don't have to select multiple cells and then choose wrap text function. Okay, so now you can see that data is only under D7. How did I got to know D7? This is the cell address over here. Okay, so if I just go to D8, I can see under D7, this is the text. If I move to D8, you can see there is no text over here. Okay, so I'll just highlight that particular cell where I need to apply wrap text. Go to the function wrap text. It is going to adjust the height and the width of the particular cell. Okay, so now you can see it has been adjusted as per the text which is contained in that particular cell. Okay, apart from that, if you really want to still adjust the height and the width, you can still drag and drop. You can see it has been adjusted and you can still make few changes. Okay, if you are not really comfortable with that making any changes, you can again apply the alignments, the left alignment, the top alignment, middle center alignment, the bottom alignment, or the center alignment. So now you can see all the difference, how it is going to get displayed under one single cell. Okay, so it doesn't mean that if you have applied wrap text, you cannot apply the alignments. Again, you can definitely apply the alignments and fit that particular data in one single cell. Right?
This video is part of the certification program, SABA, Spreadsheet Applications in Business Analytics. Please contact if you want to apply for the certificate program, or for more details.